Good morning, myself Swati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon professional ethics and human values. And my topic is on recyclability and self-regulation in nature. And let us discuss one by one. We are going to discuss about recyclability and self-regulations in nature, understanding recyclability, how the self-regulation in nature, and ethical principles from nature, and then case study we are going to discuss here. Let us see one by one. Based upon a recyclability and self-regulation in nature means it is based upon the self-talk, motivation, emotional regulations, executing functionalities, and then self-controls, etc. Based upon this, we are recyclability and self-growth in nature. Understanding recyclability means it is closing the plastic loop, like raw material, design and protections, delivery and sale, like consumption, collection, recycle, and then raw material, how they will be cycled in the recyclability manner. And then self-regulations in nature means it is a self-reflections, performance control, and forthtelling reactives. And then ethical principles from nature means it is in sustainability, interconnected, adaptability. Sustainability means it is responsible for use of resources for future generations. Interconnected means it is an recognition for interdependent relationship in professional fields. Adaptability means it is flexible in ethics, and admit changing challenges. Ethical principles from nature is on sustainability, interconnected, and adaptability. Sustainability means responsible use of resources for future generations. Interconnected means recognition of the interdependent relationship in professional fields. Adaptability means it is flexibility in ethics and practice amidst changing challenges. And then case study in professional ethics means it is an environmental organization, corporate social responsibilities, sustainable development goals. Based upon this, we are control the whole segments of the recyclabilities. Challenges in adoption is resistance to changes and the lack of awareness and short-term thinking. Resistance to change means we having any change based upon the changed criteria, based upon the changed requirements, we have to take up to our that level. Lack of awareness means based upon the awareness, the whole things will be change the adopted will be lifetime segments. Then short term thinking means it is by thinking by the universe and not at the short time of period. That is the challenges in adoption. And then strategies for implementation means education and training, incentives for sustainability, collaboration and partnership. Education and training means based upon the educations, we are the students and the graduated persons will be educated from their own resources. Incentives and for sustainability, based upon the sustainability, we are appreciating the respective person or respective engineers means based upon that the implementation process will be happen. The collaboration and partnership means based upon the collaboration and based upon the partners, we are integrated with one another, are recyclable with one another. And then based upon we having in one glance to recall my topic, and then understanding recyclability, it is a cycle manner, like raw material, like it converted into design and production, and then after that it will be converted to delivery and sales. And then we are taken up into the consumption manner, and then we are collection. After that collection, we are going to make a process like recycling, and then after recycling it will be converted to as a raw material. Based upon this, the process will be happened. And then self-regulation in nature means it is a self-reflection, how the reflected will be happens, how our topic will be reflected in our nature, and how the recycle will be happen in our nature. Then performance control means based upon the performance it will be control the self-regulation, and if based upon the performance will be controlled by the one another. Fourth thought, proactive means it is how the active how the involvement based upon in nature will be happen. And then ethical principles from nature means it is in sustainability, interconnected, and adaptability. Sustainability is responsible use of resources for future generation. Interconnected means recognition for the interdependent relationship in professional fields. Adaptability, it isn't flexible in ethics and practice amidst changing challenges, etc. I'm going to conclude my embracing nature lessons and legends of sustainability's call to actions. Based upon this, the recycle will be happen here. Thank you. I'm mapped with my mind map, and we having an. Thank you.